How to swap the values of two variables? This is one of the most common questions asked in coding interviews. In this video, we will learn 3 different ways to solve this problem. First one is by using a third variable, and the second one is by using addition and subtraction, and the last one is a Python specific way. Method 1. Using a third variable. This is the easiest way to solve this problem. In this method, we will first copy the value of our first variable to a temp variable, and the value from the second variable will be copied to the first variable, and finally the value stored in the temp variable is saved to the second variable. Method 2. Using addition and subtraction. In this method, we will first add the two variables and save the result to our first variable. Then we will subtract the value of second variable from the first variable and store the result in second variable. And finally, the value of second variable is subtracted from the first variable and the result is stored back to the first variable. Method 3. The Pythonic way. And this is the easiest way to solve this problem in Python.